तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
श्री गणेश विनायका श्री गणेश विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
भव भयनाशा विनायका
भयनाशा विनायका
भव भयनाशा विनायका
भव भयनाशा विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
श्री गणेश विनायका
श्री गणेश विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
मंगलदायक विनायका
भव भयनाशा विनायका
भव भयनाशा विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
पर्तिपुरीश्वर विनायका
श्री गणेश विनायका
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम, साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
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 मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम, साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम, साई राम,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई, माता माता साई माता,
माता साई माता,
माता माता साई माता,
माता साई माता,
जगत माता साई विश्व माता,
माता साई
जगत माता साई विश्व माता
माता साई विश्व माता
माता माता साई माता
माता साई माता
दुर्गा भवानी काली कपालिनी
भवानी काली कपालिनी
दुर्गा भवानी काली कपालिनी
भवानी काली कपालिनी
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
माता माता साई माता
माता माता साई माता
जगत माता साई विश्व माता
जगत माता साई विश्व माता
माता माता साई माता
माता माता साई माता
दुर्गा भवानी काली कपालिनी
भवानी काली कपालिनी
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
शांतिदायिनी साई माता
माता माता साई माता
कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्ण
कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्ण
कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्ण
कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्ण
कृष्ण माधवा साई हरे कृष्ण माधवा साई हरे वृंदावन संचारी श्याम गोपाला वृंदावन संचारी श्याम गोपाला जय मधुसूदन जय नंदलाला जय मधुसूदन जय नंदलाला झूल न झूले मेरे साई नंदलाला झूल न झूले मेरे साई नंदलाला कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्ण कृष्ण माधवा साई हरे वृंदावन संचारी श्याम गोपाला जय मधुसूदन झूले मेरे साई नंद लाला
झूले मेरे साई नंद लाला
कृष्ण माधवा माधव कृष्णा
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
I'll never forget you, you'll always be with me. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Your guide and protector, mother and father. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
Teach me loving service, peace and contentment. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way. Swami, take my hand. Jesus, take my hand. Dear Lord, take my hand and lead the way.
झुम झुम नाचो नंद दुलार
झुम नाचो नंद दुलार.
झुम झुम नाचो नंद दुलार
झुम नाचो नंद दुलार.
माधव मुरहर मदन गोपाल
गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम नाम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो 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 गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो हे नाम सारे है जीवन सहारे 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 परमानंद के खोते हैं द्वारे 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 जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो जो नाम चाहो नाम बोलो जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो प्रेम से बोलो भाव से 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 बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो राम नाम बोलो हरि नाम बोलो अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक अल्लाह साई यीशु नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो सौराष्ट्र महावीर बुद्ध नाम बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो हे नाम सारे है जीवन सहारे हे नाम सारे है जीवन सहारे परमानंद के खोते हैं द्वारे परमानंद के खोते हैं द्वारे जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो प्रेम से बोलो भाव गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो दीन बंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय दीन बंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय दीन बंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय बंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
राम साई राम साई राम साई राम राम साई राम साई राम साई कौसल्यनंदन दशरथ
भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, 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 हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, जप ध्यान बिना संयोग नहीं, प्रभु दर्श बिना प्रज्ञान नहीं, दया धर्म बिना सत्कर्म नहीं, भगवान बिना कोई अपना नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि नाम बिना परमात्मा नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं, हरि नाम बिना आनंद नहीं, हरि भजन बिना, हरि भजन बिना, हरि भजन बिना सुख शांति नहीं।
How does one put a ceiling on desires? And
The $1 million question. The $1 million
yes,
question.
and it's understandable coming from a youngster. And I want to go back to what we touched upon last time. We said that in the modern times, there is this new trend, the new way of living, which is the concept of minimalism. To learn to live with less and learn to live with less happily.
Wow.
With no complaints, enjoying it every second. In fact, you know, Amey, when I think about even ashram, Prashanti Nilayam ashram, we have so many distinguished elders, you know, who were income tax commissioners, IAS officers, you know, police officers. Once they shifted to Prashanti Nilayam, their room is just, you know, 10 by 12, that kind of, you have just single room. But you see that they are so contented. And minimalism says that what you should amass, what you should collect is not material possessions, but experiences. Enrich your life through experiences. And I think, I'm sure all these elders and all these devotees who are permanent residents of Prashanti Nilayam, their life is full of rich experiences.
Absolutely.
And I think that is something that all of us can try. And I was talking to another Sai family, you know, who moved from Bangalore to Chennai. And they told me that they decided that they will evaluate what is really absolutely essential. You know, over time they have collected so many articles. Now they are saying that they can easily discard 30 to 40%. Now they want to have bare minimum furniture, more space, and just enough reasonable number of dresses, reasonable amount of articles. And see, once you reduce your positions, your financial burden comes down, your stress comes down, you have more space, you have more time. So we are moving to a phase of simple living and noble thinking, isn't it?
Absolutely. In fact, you know, we were talking about the fact that minimalism is something which has come maybe from 2005 onwards. If you look at the internet, you'll find a lot of material and a lot of videos on minimalism. But in fact, Swami started this way back 3 decades ago. At least that's the minimum that we know. And Swami himself led an extremely frugal life. Imagine the Lord of the universe who can create and who has given tons and tons of gold and articles and gifts and all sorts of things, himself lived a very, very frugal life. Now, coming to the point of sealing on desires, what does Swami mean by sealing on desires? The feeling that we get is, oh my God, I have to put a plug to my desires. Swami is not telling us to put a plug to our desires.
It is the no desires.
Yes, Swami is saying we have to have sealing on desires, and there's a big difference. And the way Swami himself defines sealing on desires, we'll have the first quote, in fact, and this will make things extremely clear. What does Swami mean by sealing on desires?
Yeah, you can see on the screen the first quote we have for the day.
Exactly. Swami says that life is actually a limited company. If you look at everything in life, whether it's our temperature, whether it's our pulse rate, whether it's our BP, everything has to be in limit. Anything outside limit, whether less or more, can lead to imbalance. And this is something that we even spoke last time. And so Swami very, very clearly and very simply, he says that there are 4 components of sealing on desires. And if you actually look at it, that is all that it is about. A limit on excessive talk, a limit on excessive expenditure, on limit on consumption of food, and limit on wastage of energy. In fact, if you just, each of these is a topic on its own. We can go on and on and on about each one of these. Let me just give you one simple logic that, Swami would tell us about excessive talk. Ironical that we are actually talking about excessive talk. He would say, ask yourself, from where are you getting the energy to speak? We are getting the energy to speak through the food that we eat.
Yes.
Right? The food is being cooked by your cooks, especially in the hostel. We have cooks who make the food. There are people who procure the food.
Yes.
Right? So some energy has gone in there. Yes. And ultimately, if you trace back this food, it goes back right up to the poor farmer. Who is toiling away his, his entire effort, his energy to actually grow that food. If you use this speech for unnecessary talk, you are insulting his effort. When some of the brothers who used to serve Bhagwan in his personal duty, they used to say that Swami, just imagine, Swami, who is the creator of the entire, we said 5 elements, he would not use the tap for even the morning ablutions like brushing and shaving. He would actually use water in a pot. Right? And when somebody asked him, one of the brothers asked him, Swami, what is the need when there is running water coming from the tap? What is the need to have a pot? Swami said, no, I must know how much water I am using so that I use only what is necessary. Just imagine, this is Swami. By the way, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba has provided drinking water to over half of, this combined Andhra Pradesh, okay, and to Chennai, and he has provided water to everyone. Such a person says, I should know how much water I am utilizing.
He is showing us how to utilize water.
Yes.
You may have enough water, but how to make judicious use of water, because last time we said, if everyone consumes and wants to lead a high standard of life,
a wasteful life,
we will need 4 earths. So I think those are some of the thoughts when it comes to learning to live with less. And we will move on to some other questions, which so many brothers have sent. There was brother Venkat Reddy from Australia and Krishnan from Chennai. They wanted to know what are some practical tips for reducing stress in our lives. And both of us, Amey and me, we thought, let us just look into our lives and see what are those different I would say procedures, different approaches that we are following, which has helped us.
Absolutely, yes.
And one thing that comes just straight to me now is whatever happens, to think that it is God's grace. When you can see on the screen, the first tip to reduce our stress, Swami says, fill your hearts with the conviction that whatever happens is for your good. Consider everything as prasadam. God knows what is good for you, even as a loving mother knows what a child needs.
Wow.
I mean, that is how clear Bhagwan is. In fact, Amey, I am tempted to share what happened last week. You remember when we had the first satsang, it was on 27th June, and even though we were completely prepared, we had done our all homework in terms of facilities, in terms of infrastructure and audio, video check. But
Yes,
when this...
and believe me, when we say homework, there is a big team. You know,
Yes.
what you see in front of you are just two of us sitting. But there is a lighting team, there is an audio team, there is a camera team, and there are so many brothers toiling away behind the scenes, and everyone was ready.
Yes. So we all did whatever was needed to ensure that the session goes smoothly. But when the session started, there were a lot of hiccups. And we continued the session, but we could not offer the recording. And we had to re-record. We definitely wanted to offer this. So we re-recorded on the 29th. And you know, as we were doing that session, Amey, what it occurred to me is the first session was actually dedicated to the meditation tree. We took up the topic of dhyana because the meditation tree anniversary was on 29th.
Was around the corner.
Around the corner. But Swami ensured that we do the session on 29th. So we recorded this on exactly the day the meditation tree was to be adored, and we offered that video that day. So when you look at it, everything in life happens as per His will. You do your best. If things don't go the way you expect, it is okay. It is what He wants. I think that is one of the, perhaps one tip that comes straight to me, and there are many, isn't it, Amey?
Absolutely. In fact, these are all tips, and we'll probably share 4 or 5 tips. In fact, I'm sure many of you will have your own, ways to deal with stress. But if we can constantly tell ourselves, and this is where I have my own little formula. We all have heard of Domino's. I'm sure this is dinner time, and so a lot of hunger, bugs are kind of in the stomach. But there's something called Domino's. I just changed that a little bit. I call my formula as Swami knows, okay, which is Swami knows best. Okay, I constantly try and tell myself in whatever situation, even if everything is fine, just keep telling yourself, Swami knows best, Swami knows best. And so my formula is Swami knows, Swami knows, Swami knows. If He is in charge of our lives, and if we believe that whatever is happening to us is exactly what, the divine design in play, there will be no need to stress because someone else is in charge. Even if I stress, I can't do anything about it. Yes. So might as well, just have a hunky-dory time, leaving everything, at His lotus feet.
So don't be stressed, be blessed, feel blessed all the time because whatever is happening is what He wants. So moving on to the second tip.
The second tip is a very beautiful tip, and let's have this the second quote of Bhagwan himself. We all have heard these, probably some of the more famous words of Bhagwan.
Yes.
Life is a challenge, meet it. Life is a game, play it. And then Swami goes on to say, a weak-minded person cannot accomplish anything. So, be strong-minded, be cheerful and courageous in the face of adversities. So if you look at this particular, this formula, this tip, if we can call it that way, life is a game. Just think about it, what happens in a game? If you contemplate on this statement of Bhagwan, it will take you, very, very deep. Just think about what happens when we have a game. In a game, we are actually pushing ourselves into a position of stress, right? Where there was no stress, now suddenly we are calling upon more stress in our lives by actually competing, pushing ourselves, putting in that effort. For what? If you actually go through, play any game, any sport, right? You will notice that at the end of the sport, at the end of the game, maybe an hour or half an hour, your mind is very relaxed. While the body may be actually strained and maybe tired and fatigued, the mind is actually very relaxed. And you know why? Because the mind for that entire period of half an hour or 1 hour has been in that moment. We have focused ourselves on every single point, right, that is being played, and therefore the mind has not done its gymnastics of running, in the future or running in the past, and therefore we find ourselves more relaxed. How incredible is that? Now, use the same formula for everything in life. Whenever any event comes, tell ourselves, hey, you know what, Swami? This is a game. Okay, recreate this challenge or this particular thing, meet it as if it's a game, And you could possibly even give yourself some bonus points.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
say that
yes.
if I do
Absolutely.
well,
Yes.
then Swami is going to be very happy. This is going to bring a smile on Swami's face. And if I, at this moment now Swami is playing with me.
Yes.
Right. So put Swami on the opponent side,
Yes.
and he is hitting the ball,
Yeah.
and you hit the ball
Someone
back.
hurt you, someone said something not nice to you. It's okay. It's a game.
Yeah, So, Swami is doing this to me to
Yes,
check.
yes.
Okay, Swami, you know what? I'm going to beat you in this game.
Yes.
Right. So I think that's a beautiful tip that we can have. Constantly keep reminding ourselves, everything is a game. Everything is sport.
Yes.
This is what Swami keeps telling us. He says, I remember of a wonderful incident where for sports meet, Swami would often ask us to do some daredevil. Some daredevilry, some stunts will be there. In fact, Swami would himself encourage us to do it. Of course, with all the security and the safety in place. And on one occasion, there was on one of the years, it was really difficult. Probably, I think it is bike stunts, motor bike stunts. And Swami had asked the students to do it, and they were coming up with facing a few challenges. And after the sports meet got over, it went on brilliantly well. It was extremely successful. Nobody was hurt, and it was scintillating for the entire crowd and Bhagwan. Swami was very happy, and Swami came up to the in charge of this particular event, and he said, when Swami gives you any work or when Swami gives you any challenge, he also gives you the strength to handle that work. I think let this be a good formula for all of us.
Yes.
Right? That whenever any challenge comes,
Yes.
if you believe that everything in our life is what Swami is giving us as prasadam,
Yes.
which is going back to tip number one, then he is also giving with it the solution bit.
Yes.
Now, if you keep looking at the problem, you're going to be stressed.
Correct.
But if you consider that, it's coming as a package. So when that event is coming, there is a problem bit and there is a solution bit. So if you are able to simply look at the problem plus the solution and focus on the solution,
Yes.
automatically our stress is gone.
Stress is gone. You can see on the screen the third tip, which is basically Swami is telling that good and bad lie in your drishti, not in the srishti. So whatever is happening, it all depends on our vision, our outlook, our approach.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare
समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका